unique in nature throughout the world. The same quality, same kind of product we are selling all over the world. That is the only reason why we are successful, where many other companies who follow us become failure. That is the only reason. Now people ask us why DXN has launched these products through direct marketing system. Why MLM? Why not the traditional marketing system? The answer is very simple. Our founder, Dr. Lim Seojin, wants this product to reach all the households throughout the world. You know, Ganoderma is not very cheap. It is precious. When the precious product has to reach all the nook and corner of the world, there should be a system which can take this product to everyone. That is the only reason why we have launched this product through direct marketing system, where a consumer gets the opportunity to consume the product and market the product, which is different from traditional marketing system. It is a legitimate system and which is spreading like wildfire all over the world. And you should be proud of the fact that you're part of this great, great global family. Give a round of applause to DXN, please. In this region, we have opened our organization in 2002 with a very small office. People used to ask what kind of company it is with a small office, 250 square feet office. Our chairman says, always we start with small, like a tree, a banyan tree. Start small and it grows and it becomes big. The same people, after 5 years, calling and saying us, we want to join now with the DXN, who didn't join DXN because the office was small. Today, we have more than 25 offices in the whole Gulf countries. And DXN Gulf has penetrated in all the 6 GCC countries in this region. Today, DXN Gulf stands number 3, just after India, as far as total sales of DXN in the whole world is concerned. Please give a round of applause to yourself for this great achievement, friends. As you know, in this region, we talk when people, most of the people in the UAE itself, more than 91% of the population are expatriates. People come here to work, to make a living. This is a great opportunity for them. When they go back, they can have a pension scheme with them. During the time when they work here, when they work in DXN2, when they go back, they have something to carry back other than the good living they had in this country. That is the message we have to all the people who are living in this country. Now, as far as our expansion is concerned, last year we have seen our company expanding to 2 African countries. We have entered into Ethiopia, we have entered into Kenya. And it was my dream personally to open 2 more countries before this day, before we face all of you. That was Pakistan and Sudan. But unfortunately, we couldn't do it, but it is few days away. In few days' time, we will be opening these 2 countries as well. That is the achievement we have made from this Gulf region. And all the members in these countries are generated or originated from these Gulf countries, the Gulf region. As per Dr. Lim, Dubai is going to be the hub or the gateway of the DXN's expansion in this region, especially to African countries. The business of DXN tomorrow is lying in Africa. So I request all of you to penetrate in the region, in African region, in due course of time. Now, when we talk about the marketing, we have to talk about competition. I would like to tell you that we don't have real competition in the market. We have only followers. There are companies who follow DXN. Wherever DXN goes, they follow us. They imitate whatever DXN does. They snatch DXN people. And we say, these companies are like RGGL in our body. It purifies DXN system. Those who are unsuccessful, who would like to jump, they are going with these companies. A person who doesn't become successful in DXN, it is very, very rare that they become successful in any other company. That is the experience that we have seen, the experience that we have during the last 13 years of operation in the whole world. DXN provides a fantastic system, a system designed to make anybody successful. Anyone from even the lower strata of society, one can become successful in DXN. That's what we have seen, we have shown to the whole world. So if tomorrow someone comes and approach you and tell you that you have a better company with you, come, please join. I will remind you only one thing. To find water, you have to dig only one well, not different wells. Just remember that, please. Because this is an organization which has got a fantastic, truthful track record. During the last 14 years of operation, there was no single month in DXN's history where we didn't pay the monthly bonus to our members. That is the credibility of this company. Before I conclude, I would like to thank each and every one of you for your esteemed presence here, especially our international guests who have responded to our invitation and came all the way from different parts of the world, such as Mr. Mohammad Jasim Kilbani, our partner in Kuwait, Mr. Tajuddin, our Crown Diamond from Malaysia, Mr. Budiman Salim, the first Crown Ambassador of DXN, and Dr. Kamesh from Sudan. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Thank you very much.
Heading on to the program, I'm sure you must be eager to hear from Dr. Lim Seo Jin. Now I invite Dr. Lim Seo Jin to address the gathering, and I would also like to invite Mr. Hassan Ali Al-Khatiri to translate his speech.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning.
Assalamu alaikum, no need translation.
So once again, good morning. So actually, this is my 5th time to come to Dubai. And Dubai is the most happening city in the world now. Every time I come to Dubai, I see such a tremendous changes in this area. So I think we need to congratulate this city, beautiful city.
Okay. If you allow me before the translation, really to welcome Dr. Lim in the United Arab Emirates in Dubai, as he said, للمرة الخامسة يأتي إلى دولة الإمارات العربية المتحدة وإلى دبي. يقول هذه المدينة الجميلة السعيدة والذي يرى تغيير في كل مرة يأتي إليها.
I think about 4 years ago, when DXN decided to come to Middle East, many people they advised me, Dr. Lim, what are you going to do with Middle East? People there doesn't know Granoma, people there doesn't know much about the products, so you will be wasting your time to go to Middle East. A few years ago.
نعم. يقول عندما فكر يأتي إلى منطقة الشرق الأوسط وإلى دولة الإمارات وإلى دبي بالتحديد 4 سنوات، كثير يقولوا له أنه أنت راح تواجه مغامرة. لا يعرف الناس في هذه المنطقة الفطر الأحمر، بس هو أيضا لا يعرف أن احنا نعرف الفقع ونعرف الفطر الأحمر والأبيض. على كل حال فهو يعتقد أنه هذه مغامرة، ولكن
But I say we must go to Middle East, especially Dubai, because Dubai is the Hong Kong in the Middle East. Yeah, it's a financial centers. We must come to this place.
ولكنه أصر وقال أنه دبي هي مركز تجاري نافست هونغ كونغ ونافست